Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Zoho CRM for LinkedIn lead routing, full guide step by step clearly. To register with Zoho CRM for LinkedIn lead routing, begin by opening a web browser. Navigate to the Zoho CRM login page. If you don't have an account yet, click on the Sign Up button. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Create a strong password to secure your account. Fill in your name and any other required information. Choose the relevant plan that suits your business needs. After selecting the plan, click on Sign Up to proceed. Check your email for a verification message from Zoho. Follow the link in the email to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Zoho CRM login page. Log into your new account using your email and password. Upon logging in, you will see a customizable dashboard. Navigate to the settings by clicking on the gear icon. In the settings menu, look for integrations. Select LinkedIn from the list of available integrations. Click on Connect to begin the integration process. You will be redirected to the LinkedIn login page. Enter your LinkedIn credentials and accept necessary permissions. Return to your Zoho CRM account to confirm the integration. Once connected, navigate back to the dashboard. Locate the lead routing options within the CRM settings. Set up your lead routing preferences as needed. You can customize routing rules based on specific criteria. Save your changes to ensure everything is properly set up. Test the integration by generating a lead from LinkedIn. Check if the lead appears in your Zoho CRM account. If everything looks good, your setup is complete. You are now ready to use Zoho CRM for LinkedIn lead routing. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.